All right, next day, we got the engine loaded all up. We're about to head to MWR, the machine shop we mentioned in the last video. So drive on this big old stupid Cummins, get on there and show you guys the shop. He's got a lot of stuff going on, so maybe we can get a quick walk around and interview type deal. Have to make a quick pit stop here at the Ace Hardware. We lost one of our engine straps, and then the other one broke. So ended up having to like tie it to like the water neck and then kind of rig it up for now. Gonna pick up some more straps, get this back down, and get to the shop. All right, so here's the shop. Just pulling in. Looks like we got a truck in the way, so we can't get the engine right out, but we'll just park up and check out the shop. All right, so we got our engine dropped off here at MWR. Just like a brief, this one side of the shop. We're gonna go back over like a tour tomorrow when we start tearing this down after the dyno. All right, so following day, we're about to go to the dyno. We got Nate here. So this is his E36.
Hello.
So what we did, we took this old Honda AEM V2, it was wired for a 6-cylinder. We put in our Link Fury G4X. We made a O2 sub-harness and then a sub-harness for map sensor, IAT, and fuel pressure. So if you want to just give them a quick rundown of what's in the build overall.
So it's basically an S50, 5150 bottom end, pretty much stock top end. It's a Precision 6262 turbo, some stead speed manifold, billet, whateverness. Nothing too crazy. Not really sure what it's gonna make. It made 500 before, so we'll see if we can make that again for sure, and then hopefully maybe a little bit more would be nice.
Yeah. So what's your guess on what we're gonna make power-wise?
Man, I don't even know. 600 would be really cool. I don't know if the injectors have it in it, to be honest, but we're gonna find out, I guess.
Yeah. So I think these are
80
pound, but we're bumped up to 60 psi of base fuel pressure, so it's gonna bump it around closer to 1,000.
There you go.
So I do think these are we'll probably get around 550, but we'll see what we can get.
Sweet.
So yeah, gonna do the honors of the first key on,
Yeah.
and you'll see now the Link does have a sweep feature on the tack. So when you first key on, your tack will sweep. Nice little feature, and should just fire up first go.
There we go. Not bad.
A lot better than the old setup.
Not bad. Not bad.
So it is going to be a little lower idling cold than warm since there is no idle valve.
Right.
But
Makes sense. Sweet.
a lot faster startup than before.
Yeah, it definitely took way less cranks.
Yeah.
No, it definitely did.
Cool.
Not bad.
Alright, so we had a big boost leak coming out of the blow-off valve here, and as you can see, you can finger blast this thing, and it just opens up. And then also, the wastegate spring turned out to be a 7 psi instead of a 14, so we're going to switch that out, and then get her back driving. Hi. You could do like a little rip
In third?
in whatever.
Right here.
Yeah, that's as fast as it'll spool.
Oh, you spin out around here?
Or if you want to shoot down the road with no lights, but you could do like a 1, 2, 3 pull here.
Just real quick. No cups. Pull that motorcycle in and put it. 2, 3.
Yeah.
Doing like a 2, 3, but it would never light off like that. Like, I mean, that
a
was
lot
just
faster than before.
Oh, absolutely. Just based off the butt dyno.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Break your transmission.
No. Couldn't find fourth, and we're good to not find it.
Nice. All right, just finished off with the dyno with Nate. We made 478 horsepower.
78, yep.
How do you like it?
So far, so good. It feels a lot router than it was before.
And that was allegedly 500
Allegedly
horsepower.
500, yeah.
Yeah.
Non-confirmed, but yeah.
Maybe at altitude, some
Maybe,
correction.
yeah.
So yeah, now this thing is a certified ripper when banged off the side road, second, third gear. And yeah, going to Grid Life
we'll be
25th or whatever.
25th to 27th will
Yeah.
be here next weekend. Yep.
Cool.
It's going to be fun.
Gotta get some videos.
Oh, I'll get plenty, trust me. I'll get plenty.
All right, back over here at MWR. Me and Travis just got the engine on the stand over here. Got Mr. Travi Patty,
Yo, what's up?
engine builder extraordinaire. Mike is not here at the moment. He's out, but we're gonna do a brief walk around in a bit. So in the meantime, we're gonna get this engine torn down, take off our turbo side, our accessories, and start to pull the head to figure out where the damage is at. As we showed you before, we did have this debris in number 2. See a little better here. So we don't know if the piston exploded or what yet, but hopefully we're gonna find out today. First impressions, we got our turbo and valve cover off. We did notice that we are missing a shim right here, but it seemed most of our damage was on the intake side, so we're guessing it's isolated to number 2, but we'll see a lot more when it all starts coming apart. Alright, so we actually have a valve that exploded. You could see where we were missing our shim, but the valve is at a completely different height than the other ones, so most likely the whole head of this one is snapped and it's allowing the spring to shoot up more. This one's still down, but all of these are probably bent on cylinder number 2, and about to pull off the head and then check out how bad the damage is. Ooh, that's freaking cooked. Got a load of that. All sorts of damage. Yeah, the valves just exploded, destroyed the piston, destroyed the valves. So now that we found out that everything's broken, we either have to find a new engine or put a new head on and rebuild the bottom end of this. But we'll just go a quick brief overview of the shop since Mike's not here yet. Have a flow bench over here somewhere. He's got like injector cleaner, valve spring tester, a bunch of engines. Yeah, he does have an engine dyno over here, shock dyno, CNC machine, some lathes over there, valve grinding machine in the corner. There's another side of it that's more for storage and the race cars. But yeah, pretty much big machine shop, does pretty much everything here, fabrication, machine work. So yeah, if you guys need an engine, come down here. I'll post a link in the description where you can find them. And yeah, we'll get this all situated, find some parts, and get it back together. But that'll be it for this one, so catch you in the next.